Hi, I'm Rich Brown, Senior Editor for CNET. Today we're going to take a look at the Origin Chornos. So this is an editor's choice winning small form factor gaming PC. Our config here costs about $11.99, so it comes with an overclocked Core i5 CPU as well as a fast mid-range GeForce GTX 560 Ti graphics card from NVIDIA. So overall, I really like this PC for a few reasons. It's fast, it's small, it's relatively affordable, and it also has some nice expandability, which you don't necessarily expect in such a small system. So if we go over the features on the front of the case, you can see there's a Blu-ray burner here, as well as USB 3 ports and a couple of analog audio jacks in the front. Now on the back of the case, you've got a nice selection of ports. On the graphics card over here, you've got 2 DVI outs as well as a mini HDMI output. Over here, you have some USB 2.0 jacks. You've got a couple of ports for wireless antenna, USB 3.0, 7.1 analog audio, as well as digital optical output. Now you might see a few video outputs here, but those actually don't work because they're connected to the embedded graphics chip, which is overridden by the graphics card. So going inside the case, you'll see Origin has done a nice job of keeping the system tidy. So back here there's a Core i5 CPU, and it actually has a liquid cooler on it, which is pretty impressive given the size of the case. You can see the memory slots here, they're both occupied, and here's the hard drive bay. It can actually take a couple of solid state drives if you go for that option. This config though has a 750 gig mechanical hard drive, and it takes up all the hard drive expansion space. So swing around to the other side, you can see here's the graphics card. It's a double slot model and takes up all the card expansion slots. What's particularly cool about this is that Origin is throwing a 600 watt power supply in the system. That means that not only can this PC take nice large dual slot cards, but it can also go up to very high-end cards if you want to upgrade down the road. Now as a point of comparison, we wanted to show the Origin next to the Alienware X51. So this system has gotten some press lately. Alienware just released it back in January. It's a nice design, and it also has a full-size graphics card inside it, which is pretty rare for a slim tower case. The limitation for the Alienware though is it doesn't have quite as many upgrade options as the Origin does. Alienware won't overclock, and because it has a small power supply, it actually has relatively limited upgrade options. The fact that Alienware got a full-size card in here at all is pretty impressive, but its limited power supply means that the system is only going to be so fast. When you look at the performance charts, you'll see the Origin outperforms the Alienware on every test from gaming to applications by a healthy margin. If we're going to spend upwards of $1,000 on a gaming PC, the Origin is the clear choice here. So it's compact, it's upgradable, it's also one of the fastest PCs in its price range. So I'm Rich Brown, this is the Editor's Choice winning Origin Chornos.